Start supine therapy. Start therapy in supine position. Once the patient is completely secured on the rotaprone surface, you're ready to start therapy. On the control panel, push the Scale button. Then press the Save in Weight Trends button and make sure to pick up any bags or equipment that may be hanging on the accessory rack. This will save the patient weight and can be displayed in weight trends. Scales and patient weights are for reference only. Scale readings should not be relied upon for medication dosage. Press Home to return to the home screen. Kinetic therapy begins in the supine position and will continue until directed to move to prone. Once the patient placement is completed and the patient is rotating in the supine position, only then can the patient be moved into the prone position and begin therapy. First, pull the lock pin and an important checklist will appear. Check and clear each item on the checklist by pressing the corresponding button. The arrow will change to a check mark. First, assess all invasive lines and tubes, ensuring lines are secure and have adequate slack to avoid pulling, tangling, binding, or dislodging during a full rotation. Once all lines are adequately secured, press the Check Tubing button. Second, examine the patient's airway. Ensure the endotracheal tube, ET tube, and the ventilator tubing are secure and have adequate slack to avoid pulling or twisting during a full rotation. Once the airway is assessed to be adequately secure, press the Check Airway button. Third, examine the patient's placement in the head support assembly. Ensure the patient's ears are aligned with openings, the eyebrows are aligned with the top opening of the face mask, and that the face mask straps are securely tightened appropriately. Once the patient's head is clear, press the Check Head Support button. Once the entire checklist has been cleared, the Start Rotation screen will appear. Press the Start Rotation button and kinetic therapy will begin in the supine position. To stop rotation immediately at any time, the lock pin can be pushed in.